What happens when trees freeze in winter? Do they stop growing or even die? Actually, most trees survive freezing temps by going to sleep. This process is called dormancy, like hibernation for trees. Growth pauses, energy slows, but inside the tree is still alive. Some trees can survive down to -40 degrees Celsius or even colder. But if a sudden freeze hits too fast, it can damage young or weak trees, causing cracks, dryness, or even death. Still, most trees bounce back in spring stronger and greener than ever. Nature always finds a way.